Yan, ito po, dumating na yung kanyang SSS na matagal niya nang iniintay. Oh, yan po siya.
Upgraded
In-upgrade niya. Nag-apply siya nung year 2020, tapos nag-pandemic. After 2 years, almost 3 years, Diyan na po, upgraded na siya into SSS Union Bank Partner Card. At yan na, SSS na siya. Oops. Diyan na siya agad. Bilis lang, 2 weeks lang nung in-upgrade. Kaya kung gusto nyo rin na mabilis yung process, tingnan nyo yung SSS portal nyo. May nakalagay doon na agreement if you want to upgrade your SSS into a Union Bank card. So, yan siya. From SSS po siya. Wow, legit. So, sobrang tagal niya yung hinintay. Pero nung tiningnan nga namin, may notification sa SSS. Kasi nag-email siya na almost 3 years na wala pa yung SSS card niya. So, sabi ng SSS, she has an option to upgrade it into a Union Bank debit card. Yung parang automatic na siya na ATM card. And ginawa namin yung upgrade.
Yung SSS ID ko na, naging ATM.
Ginawa namin yung upgrade last week lang ata. So, kailangan nyo lang kumpletuhin lahat ng information. Actually, may step naman din si SSS on how to do it. At, yun. So, kung i-upgrade nyo siya, you don't need to wait kasi yung nakalagay sa kanya if she will not upgrade it to a Union Bank card, SSS card, it will took until February of 2023. But since nag-upgrade siya into the Union Bank partner card ng SSS, parang 1 linggo lang, no? 1 linggo lang yung hinintay namin. Dineliver na siya door to door. So, kayo po na mga wala pang card na nag-apply before the pandemic struck, so you can check your email, baka meron din siyang upgrade option. Tapos, yan na siya. No? Okay guys.